we're gonna try out our first attraction. It's called Carnival Chaos. It looks like it's a hyper dark ride. I think a shooting gallery, I could be wrong. I'll let you know when I get off of it. We'll see what kind of quality it is and see if it's worth it. Come along with me. There it goes into the ride building.
Oh no, it does go like all the way.
Yeah.
I thought it, okay.
So it's one car at a time then.
It's like a big loop.
Huh.
That'd be kind of fun.
Yeah. Be interesting to see what this is.
Get ready to shoot and claim your prize.
Woo!
You'll be hypnotized. I'm over here. No, here. Take me down is the name of the game. No, you'll never. Where do you think you're going?
Oh, it's a bumper car.
Total clowning around. There's no escaping me. Hope you're not afraid of the Oh, that had to hurt. I see you. Are you not having fun yet? Take your best shot. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Passes, we all fall down. Again, we all fall down. Not so fast. I'm still having fun.
Oh, wow. Another one.
Thanks for playing. It's been a blast. When I snap my fingers,
Wow, nice.
I feel like a dream.
Actually, I thought that was a really good shooting gallery.
I know, I'm like, that's way better than some of the like,
It had some of the best video game graphics I've ever seen on one.
But I had like a real good like,
Yeah, it was a good story too. So we just finished up the Carnival Chaos, and I have to say that was actually one of the best shooting galleries I've ever done. Really good. It actually had a really good story to it, and the video game graphics through it were some of the best I've seen. The only thing I have to say that you don't know while you're doing the whole thing is you don't know your score. So it's kind of a surprise at the end, which I kind of thought was cool, but it has a really dark story, just so you know. So if you take it for a little kid on it, it's kind of scary. But awesome shooting gallery. Highly suggest.